Hi, welcome back to mydronecareer.com, and quickly wanted to share with 3 websites that you can find the best UK drone deals for Black Friday 2018. As you know, Black Friday is a great way to save money, and what we're going to do, we're going to just show you 3 quick websites where you can find the best deals. We have no affiliation with these websites, just 3 really useful sites that I think can help you save money. We'll put a link in the description below, so let's get started. So the first site is dronedeliver.co.uk. Again, we have no affiliation with these companies that we're linking to, just lots of great resources and information that you can save money from. Most of these deals are with Amazon, but here you can see there's a 48% off Parrot Bebop 2, save £20 off this 10-SIP drone, Holystone 20% off, 22% off, sorry. There's also a few bundles, a few larger drones with more equipment with them, more accessories. As I say, we'll leave a link in the description below, lots of information. And we also have more deals as they become live on Amazon and other websites. So we'll leave a link in the description below. Check this site out first. This site is dronedeliver.co.uk. Lots of information, works, and also some tips on how to save even more money. Also some more guides on drones for kids, best drones under £200, best drones under £100. So check this site out as your first stop to getting a drone on the Black Friday deals. And site number 2 is TechAdvisor. Very popular site, very trustworthy site. Again, they have more bundles, deals available, £71 off, £170 off, so good opportunity to save money on a drone in the Black Friday sales. And they also have a whole list of drones here that you can have a look through. These are again mostly for Amazon, but we've got drones direct from the manufacturer's website, so have a look through these. Again, we'll leave a link in the description below, so check out this second site. And the third and final site, strange enough, is Manchester Evening News, section of their site, which goes into detail about how you can save money on drones in the Black Friday deals. A whole post of links to different sites, highest rated drones, lots of accessories. So there's a whole range of different options, whether you're looking for a professional standard or beginner's drone. Also check back because they may have more updates as the sales progress. There are some great deals to have. For example, this one is 43% off. So check these 3 sites out. It's a great opportunity to save money. And if you'd like to receive more information on how to save money buying drones, how to build a professional drone business, please subscribe below, or also visit mydronecareer.com. Thanks for watching.